You came to visit, but I found someone. Drove to the lake house where we fell in love. I couldn't wait cause I thought you moved on. You should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah.
Hey y'all! So guys, yeah, I know I've been taking you through the videos, like what is going on in my room. You can see he's still painting the room, but I want to go to school because I have things to do inside school, and like I don't have things to catch up with, so I cannot be here to show you everything bit by bit. But trust me, by the time I come back, I will show you everything, like the state of the room when I get back. So now I have to go to school. See you guys later.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, killing this one slide. Hey, don't you wanna dance with me? No.
So guys, I just got back from school like the way I told you, and this is my room. So fine. Kosi is helping me to clean. Kosi, say hi. So guys, let's just clean up.
A few moments later.
And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, killing it.
Hey guys, good morning. How are you doing? So here, I understand I have not told you guys anything for like a very long time, or like the longest of time, but a lot has happened. I got to this place, I've gone for my shopping, I've bought the necessary things I wanted. Quite a lot of things have happened, that's just the conclusion. So yeah, so today I already packed out my things. I'm going to pack them because I'm going back to school this morning, this early morning, and that's why I just decided to tell you guys. So I'm leaving this room back to my room in a bit. So guys, we'll see. I have to pack.
One eternity later.
Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit.
No. Hey guys, good morning. Catch you out. Yeah, I understand it's actually been time, like a very long time since I spoke to you guys, but a lot has actually been happening. Real life is going on, that's just it. And we are learning like within every day of our lives. So yeah, that's the first update. Secondly is that I'm starting my exams on Tuesday, and today is Saturday, so that's like 2 days from now, or like 3 days from now. Sunday, Monday, 2 days from now. Okay, so that's basic thing. So I might not have enough time to talk to you guys, but people should just know I love you so much, and that's why I'm filming this video, to pass the information to every one of you that I really love and care. You understand? So first exam break. So we've been writing exam actually, but we have break today. Like we don't have paper today, so this is just a mini break. And this one is still forming Jacuzzi, I do what? She's jacking. Oh boy. We are tired. See, my face is even swollen. I did not sleep last night because of choreo, guys. I'll just you guys later. Don't worry, I have gist.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? Down in the deep.
They collected shit up. What was your reaction when they collected your paper?
Was I talking? Was I talking?
I thought Chisom to go and apologize. Chisom was like, I'm not. Was I talking? I was actually the one talking.
She's so wicked. She's not giving us number one. But I will
You're supposed to know the acronym. Naza,
you can imagine. This girl don't tell me the ready answer. Just you know. Bring down your book. Bring down your book. You use your elbow and cover it. How do you want me to fix your elbow transparent?
So there are some inner beefs in the hall, but thank God.
And your face showed in this video.
Yes. She didn't know that we had exam.
Make it to the lane. Say hi.
Jesus, we'll pass our lunch.
Bye, Dima. Bye.
Too scared now, thinking I should call up Umeh. I think it's hard how we always wait another day. How we watch things that kids walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were both to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here? Not good alone. I'll be okay. Miss you like an old friend.
the building. This is still in 200 level. This is 200. Is well. Soon we are graduating very soon. Don't worry. Soon. Just 4 semesters from now. Just 4 semesters.
Good morning. How are you doing? Hope you're fine. I'm super excited because honestly, I'm just so happy. That's just the truth, because I'm almost done with my exam. I just have one paper remaining so that I would be done with everything apart from GS. So there's a series of break this week, starting from the Salah break, the NSAS, the no movement, and a lot of things. I'm meant to write that paper. The bio starts on Wednesday, but Wednesday is NSAS public holiday, so we don't even know when we're writing the paper as it stands now. So but yeah, I'm here. I've officially started vlogging again.
Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from the best of me. I believe that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. This is her.
So how do you guys feel about today's exam?
Sweet. Oh my God.
I think this exam
was just the best.
okay.
Like it ended well.
Okay.
The principal was so
Okay.
sweet.
Okay. Hey, wait. Papa, continue. You have a dancer already. Okay, this is my village girl. Hey. Where's Becky? Becky, join. Hey, come on. Hey, come on. Hey, go, baby. Go, Nene. Go, Nene. Go, Nene. Oh, yeah, Eta.
For me now.
God. What?
Got friend with no relay. Doing all the things you like. I'm not playing with you, I'm not joking. My thought I'm always loaded. Me, you can talk up, but I'm on board. It's a love song, I don't need no blues. Be my sugar, don't need no juice. Baby, loving you is a must, yeah. Making moves, cause I was satisfied, yeah.
Hey y'all, so welcome back to a new vlog officially. So yeah, I know that this vlog has actually been up to 12 minutes or even more than, but I don't think I've said welcome back to a new vlog because a lot of things happened during this period. My exams, my traveling, my repainting of the room, a whole lot actually happened. But I thank God that I'm done with all these things, like my exam. I'm done with my exams. Then I have a wedding to attend on the 5th of November. So, but with all these things happening in the country and the expenses, I don't know. I already gave the clothes to the tailor. So, and the tailor said she's going to be sewing the material for 10K. I'm still begging her for 7,000, which she has not even accepted. So that is that. The shoes, I don't know what I'm going to do about the shoes. I think I'm just going to wear the one I have. That's just it. So guys, currently I'm done with my exams. not really done. I still have like 2 papers to write, but they are GS, like general studies kind of things, like English. I don't know what you call it in your school. Some school call it GS, some call it GST or whatever. So for my school is GS. So I have GS courses to write too. So till whenever it's fixed. So that is that. What next? I'm going to be in school for the meantime, and I'm just going to try to get serious with my other works, like other business, like YouTube. So that is it. So I'm sorry I disappeared all this while. I think it should be up to a month now, or possibly like 3 weeks or thereabout, possibly a month, I don't know. So I'm sorry I disappeared, but it's because of my exams. So I'm finally done. I'm just going to learn to start telling you guys what is the reason for leaving before I leave. Like before I disappear, I'm going to just maybe come on and say, okay, I'm going to be going out for so time due to this and this. It's not a promise here, so but I'm just going to try to start doing that. So yeah, so I think that's basically the things I have to say. I just have to end this vlog here because, man, let's just start a new vlog. This vlog, I don't know if I like it. I just have to post it because I filmed it already. So let's just start all over from a fresh page. So see you guys on the new vlog. Thank you for watching. If you got to this point, I love you big time, and thank you for supporting. Bye.
Days when we were young, I'll take